Take the full one.
Fucker, kan je ze om en gala?
I'm having the wrong one.
That one's easier to eat.
By the bamba. That's so cool.
Oh, she's gonna drop it down. Yep. Ooh.
Here comes the trouble.
She's eating it up there.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, girl, help me.
Ayo. Oh, they llama. Where's the camera there? Oops.
Another line. There's a male line.
Who's the nice age?
Ew, this is wild.
He's gonna pull the branch if he's gonna go
Yeah.
up there.
Why are you guys just relaxing? Oh, no, you make yourself comfortable there.
Look at her up there.
Looking down
You
at
are
the
not
others.
going to eat my kill, which I stole from someone else.
Yeah,
Will he try to get up there?
maybe.
There he goes.
Yeah.
The other one is
Aren't they
Is it?
shining their
Oh,
light on this
Lalela,
one?
there's another line eating just here in front somewhere.
I got this.
Yeah, less sharp.
She can't go jump or she didn't hold it.
Yeah.
Gonna
Yes,
fall.
it's gonna fall, exactly.
They just eat the bones too.
Yeah, though, just about everything. But yeah, what I yeah.
It got stuck there.
Mm.
Oh.
It's for her sister.
You guys, the female's taking the leg away there.
Yep.
Do we know what the male's eating?
Probably also one of these carcasses, like a part of one of them, yeah.
Something came.
Where are they coming from?
Everywhere.
Oh, right there. So there's 6 lines.
Look at him.
Sharp.
Wow. Is that one of the brothers?
Mm-hmm.